morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 decimal. Exercise 8.4. Question number 3. Question number 3 have express centimeter using decimals. So you can see here the part of question number 3 A, B, C. The given 5 millimeter. This is 60 millimeter. We represent millimeter in mm, centimeter in cm. So you need to find here, convert the millimeter into centimeters. Okay. We convert this 5 millimeter in centimeter. For this, we know that we know that 1 millimeter, or you can say we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeters. Okay, so you can write like that: 1 millimeter 100 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeters. Also you can write it 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. If you convert it in decimal, then you obtain 1 millimeter is equal to 0.01 centimeters. Okay, 0.01 centimeter. This is equal to 1 millimeters. But we have in part A 5 millimeter. In part A, this is given 5 millimeter, and you know 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. So 5 millimeter is equal to, we can write here 5 by 100 as centimeter. Okay, also you can write it 5 by 100, you can convert in decimals. You know this is a you can write it 5 into 1 by 100 centimeter. This is a 100th place, so it's become 0.05 centimeters. Okay, so you can write here 5 millimeter is equal to 0.05 centimeters. And now here you can see this is given, B part is 60 millimeters. Okay, now we convert 60 millimeter in centimeter, because you know 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter, or you can say 100 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Also you can write this 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeters, or you convert in decimal, then you obtain 1 millimeter is equal to 0.01 centimeters. So now here given how many millimeters. In B part you can see this is given 60 millimeters. So now we convert this millimeter in centimeter using decimals. Okay, so this is the B part. This is given 60 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? You know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. Okay, so 60 millimeter is equal to 60 by 100 centimeter. 60 by 100 centimeter, or you can write it in decimal form this is equal to 0.60 centimeter. So student, I hope all of you understood such types conversion, millimeter into centimeters or centimeter into millimeters. Now the next part, this is C part of this question number 3. This is given 164 millimeters. Now we need to know, we need to convert 164 millimeter in centimeters. Okay. For this we have 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeters, or we can write 100 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, or 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeters. We use this formula, and that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeters. So let's see how we convert 164 millimeter in centimeters. So you can see here the C part, this is given 164 millimeter, but we know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. So we can write here 164 by 100 centimeters. Okay. So we can do this like how many zeros are 2 zeros, so decimal move from right to left 2 digits, because here 2 zeros. So here you can see there is no decimal, but decimal at the end point of the digit. So after 4 here decimal we take. So here 2 zero in denominator, then the decimal move 2 digit. Okay, from right to left. So after 2 digits, this becomes 1.64 centimeters. Okay, so in this way you can see here 164 millimeter. This is equal to 1.64 centimeter. Okay, now the next part of this question is 9 centimeter 8 millimeters. Okay, the next part of this question is 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. This is given D part. D part is given 9 centimeter 8 millimeters. Okay, so here we use this 9 centimeter 8 millimeter in centimeter with the help of using decimals. Okay, so you can write this 9 centimeter 8 millimeter is 9 centimeter plus 8 millimeter. This is a centimeter. Okay, so we write as it is, but we convert this 8 millimeter in centimeter, and you know very well 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeters. We have, or you can write 1 millimeter, this is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. Okay, so we write 9 centimeter as it is, 9 centimeter, but we convert 8 millimeter in centimeter. So we have 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. So what 8 millimeter is equal to? 8 millimeter is equal to 8 by 100, 8 by 100 centimeters. So here this is 8 millimeters, but we have 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. Okay, but here 8 millimeter, so we can write it 8 by 100 centimeter. Okay, so next step, 9 centimeter we write as it is, but this is a 8 by 100 centimeter. We can write in the form of decimal is that 0.08 centimeters. Okay, you can see here 8 by 100. Okay, so decimal is after 8. So when you divide 100 in 8, or you can see here, then we obtain 0.08. Or simply we can see here 2 0, so decimal move 2 digits. So here we have only 1 digit. So for this we can write it 0.8 by 100, because here 2 0. So decimal move 2 digit. For this we write here 0.8. 0.8 means 8. Clear? So we can, if we divide 100 by 8, then we obtain 0.08. Okay. Now after this we sum the 9 centimeter plus 0.08 centimeters. Okay. So for this you can write like this: 9 centimeter. So 9 centimeter, you can write 9.00 centimeter. This is equal to 9 centimeters. Okay. And 0.08 centimeter. So 0.08 centimeters. If you sum them, okay. So 0 plus 8, this is equal to 8. This is centimeter. 0 plus 0, this is equal to 0. Point. This is decimal. You can say also point. And 0 plus 9, this is equal to 9. Clear? So we can write 9.08 centimeters. Okay, you can write here 9.08 centimeter. So in this way you can see that we convert 9 centimeter 8 millimeter is equal to 9.08 centimeters. Okay. So student, you can see here the given problem is 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter. In these problems, centimeter and millimeter are mixed, but we express it in centimeter using by decimal. Okay. So here this is, you can write 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. This is equal to 9 centimeter plus 8 millimeters. Okay. So here this is 9 centimeter. So we write as it is 9 centimeter, because we convert millimeter in centimeter. But here plus 8 millimeter. So we need to convert this millimeter in centimeter. For this we know you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter, or you can say 100 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, or simply you can say that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 centimeter. So we have 8 millimeter. So we write next step 9 centimeter plus 8 millimeter. So we convert 8 millimeter in centimeter. So this is equal to 8 by 100 centimeter. After this we write 9 centimeter as it is, and 8 by 100 centimeters becomes 0.08 centimeters. And in next step we add them. Okay, so here you can see we add them in vertical method. So 9 this is 9 centimeter, or simply you can write it 9.00. Okay, and this is a 0.08. Okay, so 0 plus 8, this is equal to 8. Again 0 plus 0, this is equal to 0, and 0 plus 9, this is equal to 9. So in this way you can see 9 centimeter 8 millimeter is equal to 9.08 centimeters. So student, I hope all of you understood such type problems, that how to you convert millimeter in centimeter. Next part of these questions is that this is given 93 millimeters. Okay, E part is given 93 millimeters. We need to convert 93 millimeter in centimeters. Okay, this is given 93 millimeter. So you have 1 centimeter. This is equal to 100 millimeters. Simply you can write it 100 millimeter. This is equal to 1 centimeter. But also you can write 1 millimeter. This is equal to 1 by 100 and centimeters. Okay. So here we have 93 millimeters. But you know 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. So we can write here 93 millimeter is equal to 93 by 100 centimeters. Okay. So this is equal to 93 by 100 centimeter. If you convert in decimals, you can see here 20 in denominators. Okay, so decimal move 2 digit from right to left. Okay, in this situation, decimal after 3 digit, after 3. Okay, but when we divide it by 100, then decimal move 2 digit after right to left, because you can see here and in denominator have 20. Okay, so in this way you can write here 0.93 centimeters. Okay, so simply we can say 93 millimeter is equal to 0.93 centimeter. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to discuss next question. Next question is question number 4. Question number 4 है express as kilometer using decimals. Okay. Question number 4 है express as kilometer using decimal. So here the given the quantity in meters. Okay, so we need to express in kilometers. Okay, for this we need to know what is the relation between kilometer and meters. Okay, such as centimeter and millimeters. Here you can see the relation between centimeter and millimeter is that 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeters. Okay, so we need to know the relation between kilometer to meters, or you can say meter to kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Let's see how to solve question number 4. So this is a question number 4. Express kilometer using decimals. Okay, the quantity is given 8 meter, 88 meters, and 888 meters. Okay, this is given 8888 meters. Okay, suppose this is a 1 extra 8 years. Okay, so this is a 8088 meters. So now we need to convert it in decimal kilometer by using decimals. So we have, or you can write here, we know that that 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Kilo, hecto, deca, meter. Okay, kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, millimeters. Okay, so for this scale, we will find the relation between two given quantities. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, so we can also write 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, or 1 meter is equal to, this is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Clear? 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. In A part of question number 4, this is given in a part 8 meter. 8 meter is given here. Okay, so we need to convert 8 meter in kilometer, but here 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, you know very well. So 8 meter is equal to 8 by 8 meter is equal to nothing but 8 by 1000 kilometers, because you know 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, 2 meter is equal to 2 by 1000 kilometer, 3 meter is equal to 3 by 1000 kilometer, 4 meter is equal to 4 by 1000 kilometer. So for this 8 meter is equal to 8 by 1000 kilometers, and here you can see 30, but here only one digit. Okay, so how and the decimal point is after 8, so here 3 digit, so decimal move third digit from right to left, but we have only 1 digit, so we can write 8 is equal to 008. Now this becomes 3 digits. If you write 8 by 1000, and here also 1000, 008 means 008 means 8. Okay, so we can write it 0.008. Okay, so we can write 8 by 1000 is equal to 0.008 kilometers. Okay, now this is the next B part. B part is 88 meters. We need to convert 88 meter in kilometer. Okay, so we have 88 meter, and also we know 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. So 88 meter is equal to 88 by 1000 kilometers. 88 by 1000 kilometers. So here in denominators we have 30, but numerator have 2 digit. Decimal move right to left 3 digit. So for this we can write it 088. This is 88 kilometer by 1000. So this is equal to 0. You can write point and 008 simply as 0.088 kilometers. Okay, simply you can write 0.008, or you can write it as 0.088 kilometer. Okay, and here the C part is given 8,888 meter. We need to convert this quantity in kilometer. Okay, the given quantity is 8,888 meters. Okay, but we have here 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. So let's see how to do it. We convert it in kilometer. So this is a C part. This is given 8,888 meter. Okay, we need to convert in kilometers, and also we have 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So this is 8,888 by 1000, then it becomes kilometers. Okay, when you divide 8,088 meter, 8,888 meter by 1000, then it's become in kilometers. Okay, because we have 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. Okay, so this is equal to, here you can see in the numerator, denominators 3 digit 30, so decimal move 3 digit from right to left. Where is the decimal position? Decimal position is after last digit. Okay, here, so he move and 3 digit, because in this denominators have 3 digits. So this is equal to 1, 2, 3. It means that this is equal to 8.888 kilometers. Okay, so you can see here we convert 8,888 meter. This is equal to 8.888 kilometers. Now, next question, question number 5 is that express as a kilometer using decimals. Okay, express as a kilometer, express as kilogram using decimals. Here quantity given in gram. So let's see how to convert gram in kilogram. So this is a question number 5. Express kilogram using decimals. So kilograms we denote kg. This is in short form. Kilograms we denote kg, and grams we use only g. Okay. So we need to convert here 2 grams in kilograms. So what is the relation between kilograms and grams? I hope all of you study it in chapter 2, whole numbers. Okay, so you have remembered that you can write here we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, or you can say 1000 gram. This is equal to 1 kilograms. Or also you can write 1 gram. This is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. So here in A part, this is given 2 gram. We need to convert it in kilogram. We have 1 kilogram. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. So here this is a 2 gram. So it's become 2 by 1000. 2 by 1000. This is equal to 2 by 1000 kilogram. Or simply you can write it 0.002 kilograms. Okay, and the next part is given. This is B part. This is equal to 100 gram. Okay, we have 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. So 100 gram is equal to 100 by 1000 gram kilogram. This is equal to, you can write it 1 0 1 0 cancel, 2 0 2 0 cancel. This is equal to 1 by 10 kilogram. Simply you can say this is equal to 0.01 kilograms. Okay, and the next is 5 kilograms 8 grams. So 5 kilograms 8 grams. This is equal to, this is C part, 5 kg 8 gram. This is equal to 5 kilograms. We can write as it is plus 8 gram. Okay, we need to convert this 8 gram in kilogram. So you can write here 5 kg plus 8 by 1000 kilograms. Okay, this is equal to 5 kg plus 8/1000 kilogram is 0.008 kilogram. This is equal to, you can write 5.008 kilogram. So student, in this way we have completed this exercise 8.4 with question number 5 also, and I hope all of you enjoyed and you are able to convert kilogram in gram, kilometer in meter, millimeter in centimeters, or centimeter in millimeters, or meter in kilometers, or rupees in paise. Okay, so thank you for watching and Jai Hind.